I'll clear my command window here. And let me clear my workspace as well. Yeah. So how let's see how we can create how we can add a line space. So we have seen title, X label, and Y label functions, right? Now let's go ahead with how we can use different line styles, different colors, and how we can how we can use functions such as line space while while performing data visualizations using MATLAB. And then we'll go ahead with some we will explore this plot tab which is available with MATLAB. Yeah. So we'll start with simple again with the sine and cos wave visualization. So I'll create x variable as 100 linearly spaced values between -2 pi to 2 pi, and then we will create y1 and y2. So y1 is sine and y2 is cosine values of x, and then we will plot both the sets of data by using these plot functions. So to create this linearly spaced value in MATLAB, we have to use one function called linspace. So this is the function name, yeah, in bracket -2 pi, -2 into pi, comma, sorry, 2 into pi, 2 into pi, comma 100. Y1 is equal to sine of x, y2 is equal to again sine, sorry, a cos of x, and then a figure. So we'll have to create one blank figure window, as I said in the last execution, and then we'll call a plot tab with giving x comma y1 comma x comma y. So this is how we can use a line space command to create the linearly spaced values, and you have to specify the range that -2 pi to 2 pi and how many values you want, and enter. So this plot tab is giving you this kind of visualization. So you can add title, right? So I can go back to my command history to recall that title command, right? So title function. So I can give a title as a line plot of sine and cosine. So here is required. Yeah. So sine and cosine between -2 pi and 2 pi. Enter. Yeah. So that is how you can give the title, quite a relevant title to your figure to your plot. You can also give X label and Y label. So just make sure when you are giving X label, Y label, and title, they should be relevant to your figure plot. So X label is going to be -2 pi pairing in between, right? 2 pi. Y label in bracket in single quote sine and cosine value. Enter. Yeah. So this is how your plot will look, quite like quite informative when you are providing X label, Y label, and a proper title to it. Now let's add legend. I was talking about legend, right? So legend means a label to this a particular plot, like this particular waveform belongs to which function? Is it sine or cosine?